Hi, Dragons. What's up? It's Nikita and
Gabriel somewhere.
Nope.
Gabby. Yeah, you have to say Gabby for on my channel,
Right?
baby.
I feel like
I was like,
Who's Gabriel? I only know Gabby and Gabriella sometimes on a freaky night with my wig. Anyway, so in today's video, I was like totally gagged. Like I'm talking gagged. Like when I say gagged, like there's gagged, but then I was like really gagged. You know, like gagged, like gagged.
gagged.
Gagged. So basically, I was online trolling and my little instincts went off. I don't know if it was like hormonally, like I felt it in my like left boob that there was a 70% chance that a Dragun collection was gonna hit the market. And lo and behold, well, okay, this is not my announcing that I'm doing a beauty brand yet, but in today's video, we will be reviewing the Wet n Wild Fire Dragun versus Ice Dragun. Wet n Wild.
Tell me.
Like really? You're gonna have a fire and ice dragon and not gonna freaking let me be the face of it? But I'm like, what? But it's okay. Thank you, Wet n Wild, for sponsoring this video. But anyway, so basically we will be looking through the entire collection. I personally might be a little bit biased in the best way of that I love dragons. I take dragons very seriously. I have many dragons tattooed all along my body.
Are those dragons? I thought they were lizards. I was like, that's cute.
A dragon, not a lizard.
I thought they were lizards. Like an iguana. That's what I.
Like,
that's what I thought it was.
Have you ever seen them go like that?
Like that.
Anyway, so in today's video, we will be diving in and testing out each product. And the reason why Gabby is on my channel again is because there is Fire Dragun and Ice Dragun. Even though we did slightly fight over who was gonna be which dragon, I just felt as though it was right for me to be Ice Dragun.
Okay, yeah, I could be fire.
No, I'm definitely gonna be Fire Dragun.
I could do fire.
No, it's Breathe Fire, my dragons, for a reason. So I have switched now to Fire Dragun. And Gabby, since he's on the blue side, will be Ice Dragun because he has an icy hole.
As in, like, it just doesn't get visited a lot.
I was talking about his freezer, by the way. He has an icy hole.
Yeah. What?
Gabby will open up the box and show you what comes inside, and I will list off and read which item is which. So in the collection box, we have 2 color icon eyeshadow quads for $2.99 each.
$2.99?
Bitch. Oh my God! There are 2 color icon loose pigment powders, but technically there are 4 in this collection. There's just 2 fire icon loose pigment powders and 2 ice icon pigment powders. How much do you think they retail for? Hello, America. Welcome to The Price is Right. I'm your host, Nikita Dragun, and today we will be looking at the Wet n Wild Fire Dragun versus Ice Dragun. We have our first contestant, Gabriel Zamora.
Hi, I'm
Haley.
from Houston, Texas. I am just a little Latin boy who loves a concealer and bronzer.
We love Latin leche here on this channel. So next up, we have the iconic loose pigment powders, Gabriel Zamora. Gabriel Zamora from Houston, Texas. How much do you think these retail for?
I believe individually they must retail for at least $4.99.
$4.99 America, $4.99. The correct answer is $3.99. You were $1 off, Gabriel
I was
Zamora.
$1 off.
But that was pretty good. Bitch, can you believe? Okay, Liv. Next up, we have the 2 color icon bronzers.
A bronzer usually retails for, I want to say like a minimum of like $15.
You're gonna gag. This is $4.99.
Okay.
And it has a dragon in there.
It has literally like a dragon carved into it.
We have the 2 Mega Glow highlighting powders, retailed for
I don't know, like $12?
$4.99. And then lastly, we have 4 Mega Last Liquid Catsuit metallic lipsticks, and these retail for $4.99 as well. Okay, we have 1 Pro Line bronzer brush, and then we also have a Pro Line highlighting brush in this collection. All the items will be individually available in Walgreens, CVS, Rite Aid, Walmart, and all major food, drug, and mass retailers beginning mid-August. I know that the actual collection itself launches August 9th, which is like insane because this is gonna be everywhere. Like dragons are gonna be taking over. And you can even buy the entire box set, this giant box This is actually gonna be retailed on the Wet n Wild site, so I'll be sure to link that down below if you want this huge ass box. Okay, so there are 2 bronzers in this collection. Queensland is definitely a lot warmer, and then Your Dragging Me Down is a cool tone. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with Queensland first to start bronzing.
Oh, look at that cheekbone. Big.
Wait, this is actually really good.
This is actually really good. Okay. I like that it has this little handle.
It has like a little pinch in it.
Groove, and
like
I'm
a
just
grip. I think I'm gonna install one of these grips in my body.
Those are called love handles.
Oh. Okay, for real though, I'm actually living for this bronzer.
I live for this bronzer.
Like it's a really, really pretty shade.
Bronzer, thumbs up.
All right, guys, so we have officially bronzed, contoured, and snatched our pretty much faces, but we're gonna move on to the eyeshadow palette. So this is the Fire Dragon palette right here. So one thing I did notice, which is so iconic for Wet n Wild, is that they have the little labels actually pressed into the actual eyeshadow palette. So we have crease, brow bone, transition, eyelid. So it really is like a step-by-step formula to how they want you to do the look. If you wanna do it that way, I probably won't do it specifically like this way, because you know I just like hate following the rules. Like every time someone tells me to do something, I just like want to like not do the rules. So I'm just like not gonna do the rules.
But are you gonna do the rules?
You know what? I might. So I'm currently baking at 350 right now, so I'm just gonna add the eyeshadow on top.
And I'm a salad. I came out fresh. I don't need bacon.
You can't uncontour it. That's what you motherfucking came out as.
Oh, she's still bronzy.
I mean, whatever. Okay, let's dive up into these eyeshadows. We have this warm terracotta brown red shade right here as the crease. We have a nice shimmery white as the brow bone. We have a really neutral transition color and a gold.
I'm trying to see it.
Why are you so close?
Can I see it?
You're looking at it.
I'm looking
What
at
do you want to
it.
do? Taste it?
So I have this cute little quad, you guys. This one is in the theme Mythicool creatures.
Wait, do they have names?
Yeah.
Oh, mine says fit for a queen. Let's just leave it at that.
Mythicool Creatures is so much more fun because it has an amazing transition color right
More
here.
fun.
And it's like a fun, like just very
Okay,
neutral
sorry,
grid.
back to me again. Our transition color is almost the same, just saying.
No, I
Look.
feel like mine's cool toned and yours is warm toned.
Look.
No, difference. There's a difference. Okay, and then we have the brow bone color, this light color. We have a gorgeous kind of like duochrome purple blue eyelid color. And then the crease color is this like navy, but it still has like shimmer in it.
So what you were trying to do was describe yours better than mine, but I feel like
Which I did.
Fire Dragon is just better. Like it speaks for itself.
I feel
I
like-
don't need to use any fancy lingo. Like it's just
You should.
fit for a queen. Like I'm so shook right now. This is like really, really, really pigmented.
Can we talk about my mirror though? As like the ice cream? Like, this is so cute.
You didn't even buy that mirror. I bought it for you.
But it's still my mirror.
But look at mine. Mine is very like, oh wow. That's a fire gemstone. Okay, so right now I'm taking the crease shade and immediately I just wanna say this is crazy pigmented. I don't know if I just haven't tried Wet n Wild in so long or what it is, but like this is like a whole new game, girl. Like I wish they had this kind of Wet n Wild when I was in high school. While we're doing the eyes, let me actually read the description that I pulled up online. Are you ready to awaken your inner dragon with Wet n Wild's new Fire Dragon versus Ice Dragon Fall Limited Edition Collection? Which dragon will you be slaying with this season? Will you be fire?
Or will you be ice?
Okay, so since I'm done with my crease shade, I'm actually gonna be going in with the eyelid shade. But do I dare reach for the loose pigment powders as well? So
True.
I almost totally forgot about these, to be honest. But I really wanna test them out. So one of them is called Fire Rain and the other is called Gilded Crown.
Oh my god, this one's called Ice Lady.
Wait, is it really?
Oh my god. And then this
Okay,
one's
Wet n Wild,
called
you did that.
Tonight's Blue.
I think I'm gonna do Gilded Crown. But before I do that, I'm gonna lay down the eyelid shade right here. Okay, right now I'm taking the loose pigment and I'm going over the gold shade that's already in the palette. So this is Gilded Crown on top of the gold shade from the Fire Dragon palette. And oh my effing dragon.
Okay, so I've kept the navy in the crease And I went in with the lid colors, this gorgeous shimmery purple, and I just basically packed it onto the eye. And if you want more of like a metallic effect, of course, make sure to wet your brush. That way it just like makes it metallic. And what I'm doing now is I'm grabbing the loose pigment in the color Ice Lady. And it's like a silver color, and I'm just grabbing it and placing it on the inner part and like the tear duct just to brighten up. You say, oh my God.
Bitch.
Look at that inner corner.
That is so pretty.
Like that's bright.
I love her.
Bright. Oh my God.
All right, guys, so our look is almost done. We just finished the eyes, added some finishing touches, some highlights and things. Gabby is actually using the Ice Dragun highlight right now. I really want him to do like this iridescent. It's like almost like a duochrome. It has like a shift to it.
It's like really light, but it's like blue. It's like pretty. But I'm probably gonna dab into like both just to get the full blue effect.
Ooh, that'd be
So this one's like darker.
Pretty. That is so frosty.
Like, give me your...
That is Frosty the Snowman Frost. Oh wow, that's really pretty. Okay, I love that. Okay, so now we are at the point with the lip situation in this collection. So I have two different options. This is the shade Redlings. Okay, love that. And this is the shade Queen's Blood. Both are metallic lips. But can we get into this eye though? This eye.
I know, don't I look
with
good?
A $4.99 palette. This Fire Dragun is literally on fire.
Ooh, I added more highlight with this brush.
Oh, it's pretty.
The ice brush.
Ooh, the icy brush.
Oh, I'm like, I forgot to use this brush. Girl, now I know why.
Okay. All right, Dragons, this is the completed Fire Dragun look using Wet n Wild's new collection. What do we think? What do we think? Oh, wait, let's show Ice Dragun real quick. The battle. Ice Dragun, freckles, it's chilly, tense.
I live. Ooh.
We never do
Ice
looks like
Dragun?
this.
Ooh, Ice Dragun.
I mean, but Fire Dragun.
But like Ice Dragun.
But Fire Dragun.
But like Ice Dragun.
But Fire.
Ice.
Fire.
Ice.
Fire.
Ice.
All right, guys, so we just used the entire collection, and my honest opinion is that I absolutely love it, mostly because of the price point, and the overall theme is just so strong. For a brand to do something so different like Dragons, obviously I have to support it. And I think what I also love about Wet n Wild is they have been around for so long, and cruelty mother effing free.
Oh.
And affordable.
Okay, Wet n Wild.
So, you know, we're just doing things out here. Again, I wanted to give a big thank you for Gabby coming on my channel. Literally lives in the same building, and we're like, girl.
Let me just walk upstairs.
Girl, come over real quick. We're just gonna film this Ice Dragun, Fire Dragun moment real quick. I gave him some freckles. We are looking very, very icy and fiery. Okay, Wet n Wild, from one dragon to another, from the mother of dragons, I officially give you the Dragon approval. This is Dragon approved. All right, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below if you're ice or fire. I mean, no shade all tea, but I mean, I guess we're both cute, but I mean, Fire Dragun. Don't forget to also check out Gabby on his channel, Gabriel Zamora. Go subscribe to him if you aren't already. I mean, I'm sure you're already subscribed to him. Say hi, everyone. Go over and give him the dragon blessing since he's officially a dragon. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and don't forget, breathe fire, my dragons.
Oh, I want